shit. Oh, fuck! Oh, shit! God damn! Fucking shithead. God damn, she can reach. Look at her.
She'll jump up there and get you.
Oh, fucking shit! Ah! Alright. Calm down. Calm down.
Give her a hug, Joe.
No.
Just tell her how much you love her.
No.
Tell her how much you love her.
I do not love her. She is mean to me.
Nuh-uh, she's very nice.
She's fucking smart, man. You see how she like throws her leg over it? She's gonna get me again. Oh, Jesus. We got blood once.
Now tap the top one. Pet her. Just give her a hug.
Oh, fuck!